Diva Decorating, taking part in our Tablescape Sunday Collaboration with host Lynn from Lynn's Lifestyle Living. The co-hosts are Mysterious Alberta, Cynthia She's So Blessed, me, myself, and DIYing It, and myself, Diva Decorating. Now Lynn asked that we use the colors red and white or pink and white, and I chose red and white. Be sure you check the link below to Lynn's channel and all the co-hosts and the participants on the playlist. If you have not subscribed to me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up while you're at it. Now, let's get started on the video. My thought process when I was designing this tablescape. Now, I usually have the rose petals and everything scattered across the table and the scatters, but I decided to switch it up and do something a little different this year. And this to give people an idea that don't want the scatters all over the table, but they still want a sophisticated looking Valentine's romantic table. Now, this table can work for a family with children, or it also can work as a romantic dinner for two. Okay, so the first thing I did was I started by layering my table runner. And everything I have on the table I already had except for the candy and except for the wine. Everything else I've already had. And when I started with the runner, I decided that it looked too thinned out by itself. So I decided that I would take something I already had, which was this white curtain, and it wasn't any good anymore. So I just cut off the part that wasn't good, and I decided to put that on the bottom of the table runner. It's just a little bit wider than the runner so you can see the red and the white. And I thought that was a good idea. Now, for the place settings here, okay, I just have my white plates. You've seen those many times before. And I also decided to do a little whimsy. I always have to be a little extra and go a little bit further. I decided to make some menu cards. These menu cards were made by hand, but my thought was that I was going to print them out, but my printer is not working at the moment, so I had to do them by hand. Now, the red napkins are already had. The napkin ring already had. They're from eFavorMart. And I also did with my menu, I tied a little bow on it, and I put a little heart, and you know these things came from the Dollar Tree. Already had, okay? The candy right there in the little bowl, those are, I believe, some butter toffees. Okay. And right here, I just have my wine glass with some of those, um, you know what they call those to get from the Dollar Tree, the gems. And I have it sitting on my coaster that I made that has pearls all around them. I showed you that in a previous video. And I just decided to put a white rose at the end of it. So that's how that's looking. And I have my water glass right there. And there's my candle. Now at this place setting, it's a little bit different. I decided to go with my faux fur placemat, and I have that on either side because I didn't need to layer too much here since I had the tablecloth, not the tablecloth, I'm sorry, the table runner on the other side. So that's how that looks. And of course we have to have the sweets. These are some homemade red velvet cupcakes. And that's what we're going to be having for our dessert. Right here is the same setup as across the table. This is where my husband will be sitting. And we have some Kisses candy right there. Sorry for that glare, guys. The sun is shining. And for my centerpiece here, in the middle, I have a flower arrangement from last year. Part of the flower arrangement, I took some things out of it, and I just added this Dollar Tree balloon that says, I love you. Also for a centerpiece, guys, I have these water with the floating candles in them. I think they are so pretty. You can't see them, but they are lit up. But the sun is shining, so you can't see them. With the pearls inside. And I have one on each side. And on the other side here, I have some more candies. Those are the little chocolate hearts. You can see that. And now I'm going to go back over here and show you the bottle of wine. I just have that sitting in a glass jar that I already had, vase. And I tied a ribbon around it. I also have my box of candy here. And those are from the Dollar Tree. So that's how everything is looking. Sorry about the glare. Thank you, loves, for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell twice so you can be notified every time I upload new content. And don't forget to check out the playlist. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye, my loves.